Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to have a look at these awesome Vortex Crossfire binoculars. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase your own Vortex Crossfire binoculars, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Alright, the pair of Crossfires we're going to be looking at is 8x42. It does come in many different varieties. There's the 8x42, the 10x42, 10x50, and 12x50. Alright, let's begin with the size reference, just so you get an idea for what the Crossfires might feel like in your hand with these 42mm lenses. And this is just an empty roll of paper towels. And what we're looking for is just a comparison between the diameter here and the diameter in the barrels. So you can see toward the eyepiece, this end here, pretty much the same size, but it gets a little bit wider as it bells out toward the edge there of the objective lens. Let me spin this around so you can see just the opening there. Give you a better idea. Over to the lenses on the eyepiece, just about the same diameter as a US quarter. Alright, let's get your weight reference. Crossfire is weighing in at about 1 pound 7.8 ounces. So if you had a 23-ounce bottle of water and you filled it almost all the way up to the top, should be about the same weight. Just a couple of things I want to point out before having a closer look at the Vortex Crossfires, especially if you've never heard of Vortex and you might be a little bit hesitant to purchase from them. Now, I've been using their firearm optics for years now, and they're so good that they just won the contract to produce the optics for the U.S. Army's new weapon system. In my brain, I think, well, if it's good enough for the Army, it's going to be good enough for me. And the second thing I want to point out is they have an industry-leading warranty. It's a no questions asked lifetime warranty. If you damage it somehow, they're either going to try to repair it or replace it, and it's fully transferable, and there's no proof of purchase necessary. And just to put that warranty in context, if you were to go on the really high end of optics, doesn't matter if it's telescopes or binoculars, you might get like a 10 to 15 year warranty. But with Vortex, it doesn't matter where in the range you go, you're going to get that lifetime warranty. Alright, let me begin with telling you the 3 things that I absolutely must have in any pair of binoculars that I purchase. And I'm not talking about deciding how big of objective lens I have, or the magnification, or the warranty, or anything like that. The 3 things that I have to have in a pair of binoculars. Number 1, I have to have HD glass. Number 2, that glass has to be fully coated. I want fully multi-coated lenses. And the last thing I really need, is because I wear glasses, is really good eye relief. Alright, the Crossfires have a very generous eye relief at 15mm, and that is absolutely great news for people with glasses. Anywhere between 13 and 15mm is going to be on point. And it also gives you flexibility if there's going to be multiple users, people that do wear glasses and don't. If you do wear glasses, you're going to keep the eye cups down, get your lenses right up to the glass, and you should be fine. If you don't wear glasses, you're going to twist the eye cups, and that should give you the proper distance. The idea is not to have vignetting when you're looking through the lenses, so you can get the total picture when you're looking through the binoculars. On the right side, you got your diopter. Very smooth, grippy rubber here. This line is going to help you remember where your right eye is going to focus. Now, if you've never done that process, what you're going to do in the beginning is you're going to close down your right eye or put your lens cap over this side, and then you're going to use the center focus ring here to focus your left eye. Then you're going to shut down the left side, open up your right eye, and use the diopter to focus on the right side. And that's where you're going to remember where that little dash is. And then all you got to do is figure out how far apart you want these. Crossfires have this beautiful rubber armor, very grippy. It's going to absorb a lot of shock if you drop them. And in the middle here, if you want to get a tripod, you just unscrew this little cap here, and you can mount it onto a tripod with the adapter. Looks just like that. Let me just show you the objective lenses in the front here. You can see that green coating. Again, fully multi-coated lenses, and you have to have coating on lenses. Remember, glass is reflective. You don't want light to bounce out, and that's what the coating does, is it helps light pass through the lenses so you get a crisp, contrasted image. And then, of course, we have the HD lenses, otherwise known as ED, or extra low dispersion lenses. Again, very important to have that to keep chromatic aberration down, meaning that when you look at something from far away, you don't want to have any weird colors around the edges. And that's what HD glass does, is it makes color look like it's actually supposed to look like through the lenses. Here's a quick guide to the demonstration we're going to be looking at, and keeping in mind this video is not to demonstrate the clarity of the lenses, because it's impossible with the equipment that I have to show you the clarity of those HD lenses and what a good job those multi-coated lenses do. But instead, it's just to show you what you're going to get with the 8x42 pair of binoculars at 7.5 field of view. Alright, the camera is going to be posted up here at home base, and the target's going to move to the pitcher's mound at 50 feet away, second base at 100 feet away, and way back to 300 feet against the warning track. And we're going to see what it's like to look like through these lenses. Let's give it a go. Alright, here we go. No magnification. Target is sitting at home base 50 feet away. Here it is with 8x. You can see that person moving around there in the background. Alright, target's been moved back to second base. 100 feet away, no magnification. Here is what it looks like with 8x. You can see me just kind of wobbling around there. Now let's back it up all the way to the fence, warning track, 300 feet. You can't even see it. And here is what it looks like at 8x. Well, alright guys, once again, this has been the Vortex Crossfire, made by a company that knows how to make optics, trusted by the military, lifetime warranty, and extremely clear lenses to look through. If you're looking for a new pair of binoculars, this might be the one for you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase a Vortex Crossfire, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.